How to remove phone number from Snapchat account. If any day any of you are a Snapchat user and you would like to remove your phone number from your Snapchat account, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Snapchat application on your mobile device. You have to find Snapchat on your mobile device and then tap on Snapchat like this. After you tap on the Snapchat, Snapchat will be launched on your very mobile device. After Snapchat is launched on your very mobile device, now what you have to do is you have to go to your profile like icon on the top and then you have to go to the option of the settings. After you tap on the option of settings, you can see the option of mobile number here. Now what you have to do is you have to cancel the very number like this, and then what you can do is you can just save it and then again go back. Now after deleting all of this phone number, what happens is you can either change it to any of your next phone number, due to which your very current phone number from the very this will be removed. Therefore what you can do is you can just go there and you can just remove your phone number, and this way you can remove your phone number from your Snapchat account. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.